This is Canada. Maple syrup in my cabin, say, ay, kick your ass all hockey season, ay, ay. Now teach me riding horses, say, yeah. This is Canada, ay. Furry woolen critters in our zone, ay. We got the best weed ever grown, ay. We got the best pick you never know, ay. Rocky Mountain air is so fresh and nice, northern lights in the sky, ay, ay. Niagara Falls from our side, yeah. We don't allow no DUI, ay. Great Lakes all summer, yeah. Gordon Lightfoot, Drake and Gretzky, we say sorry a lot, ay. Polite and proud, why not? Ay. Beavers building dams, ay. Curling's how we jam, ay. Snow bunny so sexy, no snow with that booty, ay. Ay. We say that all day, ay. Friendly folks all the way, okay. This is Canada. Maple syrup.
Ayan guys.
Wow. Kita may salmon dyan, no? Ano sa baba? Huwag mong papatayin yung video mo. Pwede mo naman kapicture dyan, di ba?
Ewan ko.
Pwede, may ano dyan, may parang square.
Oo.
Meron, itry mo nga.
Na natin.
Mag-selfie naman tayo dito. Wag, stop yun.
Hindi, wala nang stop.
Picture mo nga. Yung selfie. Wala yan. Wala palang pwede yung iPhone.
Ano kaya na-flip yung video nito? Nakaharap natin. iPhone to na naman kaya.
Hindi, may bago na naman ulit.
Panibago na naman?
Hindi, meron yan.
Hindi yung na-flip mo? Hindi. Hindi. Wala. Kailangan para ma-flip para nakikita tayo ba?